Gold yesterday created a bearish candle. It was an attempt from the buyers to push the price above this area of small resistance, but the price could not stay above the area of this resistance after making a bullish breakout on the smaller time frame. We will see that on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. And then the price returned back down again to the support level, but we can see again the price could not manage to go below this area of support, which means that for the third time this week the price cannot make a bearish breakout, but we can see also the bulls cannot all make a bullish breakout. So we have indecision on the market currently that lasts for several days, and today is Friday, which could also be a similar case today, but also we could have a breakout. Now let's see on the smaller time frame how this scenario looks like, and is there any potential move on the upside or the downside. Yesterday the price has moved, we can see that here between these area of resistance and the support level, and we can see it was a bullish breakout here during the day where the price was targeting the next resistance level around this area here. We can see the price has reached that, and then the price returned back down. This was a bearish breakout indicating further decline in value. We can see the price has continued to lose its value all the way to the first support level, but we can see there was only a wick on this 4-hour time frame, and after that there was no more attempts to move further down. Now the price has retraced from this area of support, forming this bullish candle, and currently it is in between this resistance and the support level. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see yesterday it was a bullish breakout here where the price has formed with a target right here, and also a second bullish breakout with a target very close to the next resistance level. This area the price did not manage to return and also reach an area around this supply zone, but the price returned back down and continued to lose its value all the way for the several hours until the prices reached this support level below the daily support level 333.9.80. From here the price has bounced and returned back up, confirmed here the previous resistance, acting now as a support. Small pin bar has been formed, a bullish one, and then the price continued to rise in value to the next resistance level, which was 3368.89. Now for now I'm waiting outside because I'm waiting for a clear signal from the market, which means I'm waiting for a signal where the price will manage to create another bullish or bearish breakout, and to see where the price will go. Especially today is a Friday, which means afternoon there will be also potentially a volatility on the market, which could also pose a little bit a problem for me, which means there is potentially that the price could move significantly in any of the directions. So it's very good to stay away from that time on the market to avoid being stopped out because of the large volatility. So for now I'm waiting to see a bullish or bearish breakout before the afternoon, which means there is a less volatility and there is more potential that the price will follow the technical analysis. So if there is any bullish or bearish breakout, I will wait and also notify the traders inside the premium analysis. Now what we can see here on the daily time frame, the price cannot manage to go below this area of support, and currently it is still bullish oriented because it is above this area of support. Yesterday there was attempt for the price to move further higher, which means the bulls have attempt, but it was not successful one. So I am waiting for the price to manage and to move again to the higher price levels.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.